Good morning.
Good morning.
What are you going to make today?
Pancakes.
Pancakes or is it French toast? Is it French toast? We slept until probably about 7 o'clock. So Zoe slept an extra half hour. And then she was hollering for Mommy on the intercom. Didn't you? Were you scared in your room?
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to relax this morning and make some French toast, aren't we? Hello? 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 Zoe wants to do some faces right now. We use the Snapchat app to look at some faces. You want to do faces?
Yeah.
Do something. Look at that. Say something. You got one eye. Wait.
French toast right now.
You're gonna make what?
French toast right now.
What is it?
Huh?
What is it?
Right
We're about to make French toast.
Hi guys, well, I forgot to hit the video camera, so I was sitting there talking to no one. I thought I was talking to you guys, but I wasn't, and forgot to hit video. But anyways, it's Saturday morning and we're making French toast. So, I've already used my eggs, my chicken eggs, and they're not fertilized, so don't worry. And I did wash them and all that good stuff. So now we're just getting ready to put the bread and the eggs, and put them in the frying pan. Fry them up.
Just run away with the tide.
What are you doing? Alright, we're at the Walgreens for a second. Get something to snack on and get my medicine. We are in the car wash. Well, actually, I'm in the car wash. Whitney and Zoe's in their car behind me.
What are we doing, Zoe? Is it cool? Ah! I'm gonna roll your window down, okay? I'm gonna roll your window down. Ah! Now it's raining! Now we're going through the big wind tunnel.
Okay, we are in line of Zaxby's. We're gonna get us some dinner. It's about 6:32, and Zoe's with me. Say hey. What are you doing?
Hey.
Show everybody your bear. Is that your bear?
Mm-hmm.
What's his name?
Bear butt.
Bear butt. No, it is not.
Bear butt. Bear butt. Bear
Well,
butt.
Whitney's laying in bed. She's not feeling too good right now. We took a little bit of a nap. We cleaned out our cars. Look at this. Nice and crisp and clean.
Maybe I'll lose it, cuz.
Move it or lose it!
Maybe I'll lose it.
She remembered that from one of our other videos. Okay, we're gonna get our food and head back home.
Hey.
Okay, so we're doing some puzzles with Zoe because she's already went through 3 different puzzles all by herself, didn't you?
Yeah.
So now we're on this new one that she just got from the ferry, and it's a big 48 piecer.
Look, I got it. I got it.
You sure did. You're doing good. I just helped you a little bit.
Thank you, Daddy.
Say, I love puzzles.
I love puzzles.
Puzzles. Do
This
you need your hair
is too
pushed back?
hard.
Your hair's... You need a bath.
This goes earways.
Where?
Goes.
I don't know where that goes. No, that goes down here.
It goes down there.
Because it has Disney on it.
Easier.
I think it goes right there.
Right there.
We've almost got it done. Guys, we got a really big storm warning right now. It is looking crazy outside.
We just had some really, really bad storms come through here, as you've seen on the first video. And now she's calmed down. She's headed off into Knox County that way. And they're getting hit really hard. They're getting what we just had. God be with them. We got one more stream to come through, I think, through us. Back that way is Clinton. Before you could even see the lights on that way. And then I'm sure Lake City got hit pretty hard too. We had 70 to 80 miles per hour wind. Come on, give me another one. You can hear the sirens. I had a really good lightning strike a while ago. I mean, it went right across the sky. Come on, give me something. As soon as I turn this off, it'll happen. Got it. I got one, Dave. I got one lightning strike for you. How good it is, I don't know, baby. How good it is, I don't know. Come on. One more good one. One more. Oh, we're getting hit.